welcome back to Faith and Bros.
I'm Faith, and this is my bro.
Wilson, and today we're going to do Pick Out of the Hat Random Slime Challenge.
So, I have a bunch of slime ingredients in here. We're going to close our eyes and pick it. Whatever is in there, we have to put it in or do.
And there's
10 rounds.
10 rounds, and we're going to rock, paper, scissors, shoot. The loser goes first. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, Faith, you go first.
I got purple dye. Okay, so let me.
I want that. Wait, there's purple dye. Oh, there's purple. And since people can't see my eyelashes, Faith put mascara on them. So,
Doesn't he look nice?
do I look nice?
It's a lot of purple.
Can you see?
I still can't see it. Okay. Next one.
All right. I have chosen the almighty beads. Power beads. The power of the beads
It's vested in me.
is in my hands. Oh, it looks like a lot, but it's not. So,
Okay,
next time.
round 2.
What did she get?
Oh my gosh, I got purple dye again.
You did?
Legit, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I haven't.
That's insane. No, I don't really talk like that.
He doesn't.
I don't do YouTube. Oh my gosh. That's just insane. I don't do that.
No one talks like that on YouTube.
People do who are British. Got it? I choose purple dye.
Okay.
Give me that. I love purple. It's my favorite color.
I'm almost out.
Give me a lot. I'm not in the way.
Okay, that's a lot.
Ah, that's perfect.
Look how much you put, guys. Like,
Stop! Oh,
wait.
oh, that's so pretty.
Okay. So if I get purple dye again, I'm gonna blue.
Oh, you got blue dye. Wait, what is
Glue.
purple? Wait, glue? Oh, you got glue. Yeah, I still can't read it. Glue.
See.
Glue it up.
We're not allowed
glue it
to.
up.
We're not allowed to mix until the very end, so I'm kind of.
Hoping we get borax.
I'm glad I got glue before I got
Borax.
activator because that would not be.
Okay. Let's pick between the power invested between my fingers.
There's nothing between your fingers.
Well, now there is. No, now there was. Now there is. It is called swap slime.
Look at this. Mine actually has actual things to it. Yours just
And you
has,
still had purple.
yours just has paint and beads.
Yeah, so have fun. Faith, go.
Round 3.
Shut your eyes. I'm watching them.
I really hope I
She
can
gets
swap. Green,
green
dye.
dye. Don't think I'm annoying.
Yes.
Who thinks I'm annoying? Actually, you can't really comment, so. Don't answer that question. Next. Let's put that in. I got yellow dye.
Ew, yellow and
Serious?
purple.
Ugh, that's
What does that
disgusting.
make? Like brown, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna have brown slime.
Hopefully, I kind of want this way because I kind of don't. Okay.
Touch all of my hands. Miller, napkins.
Oh yeah, our little brothers.
Downstairs. Why don't you go get them? Okay, just get Faith's toilet paper. Okay.
So we forgot napkins. So our brother's gonna get them.
Okay. Faith, your turn. Faith, shut your eyes.
I'm not looking.
Fine.
I'm looking at the ceiling fan.
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, glue. Okay, thank you. Toilet paper.
No, we don't have. We don't.
Technically, that's his nickname, toilet paper, but okay, my turn.
I didn't put anything in.
Oh, put some glue in then.
That's TP, bro.
It's TP. Yeah, TP. That's his name. Toilet paper. TP.
I don't think my first name was Toilet.
Well, now it's paper.
I want a lot.
That's a lot.
I know it is.
Hey. Ugh.
Oh, wow.
I put a lot of glue.
Choose the power invested in me to put in purple dye. Let's put this on the yellow and see what it makes.
My dude. Do we
Get
look
off
like
me.
twins? People say we look like twins. Wait, whip your hair back.
People say we look like twins.
Yeah, me and my brother look along.
Okay, do we look like here? If I take off my glasses, do we look like twins?
Triplets?
Like this video if you think we look like twins, not triplets.
Or triplets?
Or just like it anyway. If
Yeah.
yeah.
Like and subscribe, please.
Wee.
Miller, stop swinging.
Aw.
Or should I say, toilet paper, stop swinging. All right, Faith, your turn.
TP, bro.
Purple dye. Why does it with purple dye? We only put one purple dye in, but we keep getting it.
Yeah, we did. And now I pick the power invested in me.
Dude, we're gonna be out of purple dye.
Oh, wait, what turn is this?
Like,
Pink dye.
listen, you have how many stuff? You have 4 stuff right now.
You know what? We're just gonna do this till we get
Activator.
activator, and then we're gonna mix it up. Okay?
So far we've
Only got slime.
we
I
have
mean
an
glue.
activator.
We've only
I
got
think this
glue and paint.
Yeah,
And
that's
dots
it.
And beads.
and beads.
I haven't
this
got all
is-
yet.
I did. Or you did. So
Okay.
this is our, I think, 6th round.
It doesn't really matter because we're not.
We'll go until we get activator.
Yeah, or until she gets activator. Ow! That hurts my arm. Yeah, that didn't really hurt.
Okay, let's see what this is. I
Don't
got...
fall, table. Swap. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
She had swap. Oh, no.
Yay. I got
No.
my face slime back. Don't be ugly.
Oh my gosh. Ready?
Perfect. Look at the ceiling.
Okay. I already got it. Swap.
What? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. You did not get that.
Yes, I did.
Did you cheat?
No. I was going like this.
Fine. Okay.
Thank you. Now, it's a beauty. I mean beauty. You never know. That's exactly what it is.
I'm scared, honestly. Like,
Mm.
I'm low key scared. Like, I don't want swap. I mean, I do want swap because that slime's so much better. But
I'm looking at you.
I got
Pearls. And you are getting more pearl. Yeah, I'm weird.
I don't want a lot because this kind of already has. I'm not trying to make a design.
I have issues.
You actually do.
No, I actually don't have issues.
Okay, go.
My brother's the one with issues.
Oh.
The one that's addicted to
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Okay, go.
So he has issues, and he's not even good at it. So
I am.
not.
Yeah.
Shush.
Where's that it?
Glue. Okay, this kind of stinks.
I swear, I get 2 activators in here, and so far none of us have got it.
Chug it, chug it.
Okay,
chug
that's enough.
Chug? No, you don't chug glue.
Yes, you do.
Pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it.
Chug, 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 glue. Chug, chug, chug.
Wait, it's melted.
I got activator!
Wait, really?
Oh, I
Yep.
chugged it.
That's the activator.
Nice.
I wish I could see how much I need, because
Wait, isn't that borax?
Yeah, it's borax.
It's called activator.
I
Man.
added too much. Can I
Dude.
like dump some out?
No.
Guys, it's like swimming in.
Well, hopefully when you
activator.
now on your next turn you can mix.
Oh yeah.
Activator.
I keep for real.
Yes.
For real.
Okay. Looks like we have to add activator and then we mix it up and
No,
we're
we get
done.
one more turn after activator.
We do? Oh yeah.
I take it to swap.
I feel like it can.
Wilson, that's a lot.
Ooh. I have more glue, so.
Okay. Last turn. I kind of hope I get swapped because.
That's it. Oh no no!
Oh my gosh, guys. Can't see it, but it's swap. Like legit.
Stop saying
I mean,
legit.
Wilson.
Legit kind of stinks.
I mean, Wilson, that's your pretty
I don't know.
cool sign.
I'm just really excited right now. Don't get swapped.
Get swap, get swap.
Swamp.
No, for real.
Yes.
I
Okay.
can't-
Now we mix.
You just got to swap, stop.
This is so.
Oh, this looks terrible.
It looks like dirty.
Look, guys, wait.
Here, wait. Let's finish mixing this.
Ew, it
Look,
looks like-
actually pretty
Dude, this is actually a nice color actually.
Yeah.
Oh no, mine's completely melted.
I got purple on my seat.
Oh, this looks like a tan. Oh no, this is literally just a liquid. It's literally just liquid.
Oh,
I added too much and you added too
little.
little, yeah.
No, I added a lot.
Slime is flying everywhere.
No,
I honestly-
look at this. It's a liquid.
This is what mine's actually liquidy too.
We actually might just add a couple more stuff.
add more activator.
Like we might add some shaving cream and activator.
Okay, let's do 2 more turns.
No, we're just gonna put it in.
Right. We have
We are just going to put it in, people.
you can only add 2 things.
Yeah. So,
So you
what
can
you gonna add?
You can only add 1 dose of activator, kind of activator.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna pour some of yours out?
No,
I
I
put
actually
some more
had
in.
to release.
Little? Oh yeah, I
I-
definitely needed more.
I do this and then I get it on.
I
my
really want to
skin.
add more paint,
You can't. That could
No.
be your second
Oh
thing.
yeah, that can be your second thing.
but I'm not. Should I add shaving cream? That's gonna melt it, right?
No, it makes it sick.
Okay, I need thick. I need
That activator just like saved my life. Or my slime.
Oh, that's so cool. I love
Okay,
it. Okay,
Let's
let's
see
go.
what it
Let's go.
feels-
Let's go.
this actually feels super cool. I love the color.
I hope this is better.
I
Than,
kind of wanted that one, but I'm actually glad I got this one.
I hope I get better than last time.
We made slime last night just for fun, and it was just.
Actually, it was pretty good. Before this video, when we were trying it out, when we were doing this video, I made one. It was literally
It was
just
like,
all over my hands. It wouldn't even stick together.
it
it
was
is-
like just.
It was the worst slime of my life.
Okay,
It was
so
just
I
like a
actually needed to add more activator, but I can't. I can only add that one time. So we're just gonna add a bunch.
Or shaving cream. All right, what's the second thing that I add?
That was my second thing, the shaving cream.
Wait, Wilson, you just added your second.
No,
Shaving cream.
I never added shaving cream.
Yes, you did.
I added the
Borax
borax.
and shaving cream.
No, I didn't.
Just did it.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
Just did.
No, I
There's
didn't.
shaving cream on the side.
That's because I got it earlier.
No, you never got shaving cream.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Oh,
Yes,
he's lying. Okay, well, Wilson can't add anything more.
Yes, I can.
I can't. That shaving cream is like a. This color is so pretty. It's like a light. Hey, no!
Fine, I'm just putting it over here. I'm just putting it over here.
Cheater!
No!
I'll keep this up here.
Okay, hold on. Let's put this on.
So this is a really light purple.
Mine is a tan color. Very ugly. Because I make yellow and purple. Not.
Mine's still kind of sticky.
Okay,
but-
much better, much better. Except, Miller, I need toilet paper.
No, you don't.
Need me? Need me? Need me?
Yes,
TP.
yes, TP. Go get some TP.
Okay, guys, this is my slime. It's
Like real
so
TP.
sticky.
Okay, here you go.
No, I need real TP. Like
It's
right now.
super stretchy, but also super sticky.
Ah, yeah.
I just have problems here.
You always have problems.
Okay, so our slime, it's
Oh, it's so sticky.
yeah, it's sticky. So actually, we're just gonna try to do our best to fix it, so we can add whatever we want.
Okay, so give me the shaving cream.
Mine's kind of like fluffy, kind of
Right.
jiggly. Like
That's right, I shaving creamed it.
you smack it, it's kind of jiggly.
Oh no, it's sticky. Oh no. Oh no.
Dude, you add activator. How does it get sticky?
I need more activator. Faith, please pour some in.
Shaving cream?
Not some, I need a lot.
Try that.
Out for size. It's definitely really sticky
Okay,
and
guys,
stretchy.
we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like.